Now let's go back to the help center and try out another common issue, which is like a very common scenario, which is like a password reset. So from the available request forms, I'm going to use the get IT help form. I'm going to fill in a description and a summary. I'm just going to ignore all of these and submit. So this is the issue that I have raised. Now the system is also capable of automatically responding to these issues with the instructions. What I should do, what are the steps that I should take to reset my password, and if I don't receive any email or anything when I click on forget password. So the system also shows the link to any knowledge base article that is available for me to further troubleshoot my login issue. If I still cannot fix the issue by self help, then I can obviously comment on this and say my issue still exists. And that is when the team will be able to take a look at it for me. But if my issues is solved by so any requester who's raising an issue will be able to go through the steps that is suggested by the virtual agent, and they will be able to resolve their issues on them by themselves. So, based on the virtual service agent and the automation's operations, we can reduce the number of tickets and providing speedy response to the customer for common issue that is like and automatically allowing the teams to focus on high impact issues. Thank you.